Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw crypto from Binance without fees. So I just tap on my Binance account and officially logged in. I will just move in my wallet icon, which is top right bottom corner. I will just tap on it, and after I will just tap to this withdraw. And from here I will just withdraw. The last option is crypto or withdraw fiat currency. And when it's load completely, you just tap on USDT and select the send via crypto network. So now how you can withdraw with zero fees? You can just tap on this select network, and from here you can just see one by one. So in BNB smart chain is with fee with 0.00 USDT. You can select it, and minimum withdrawal 10 USDT and arrival time 5 minutes. So I will just choose this one, OPBNB, because it was a zero fees 0.00 USDT, and you will see there is zero fees with withdrawal, and you can minimum withdrawal 20 USDT and arrival time 2 minutes. So I will just select it, and you can just select your address book, or you can copy your withdraw address and paste it here, and just select your minimum $20 and just tap on withdraw. So this is you can save your zero fees on withdrawal. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.